just landed right now in Portland, Oregon, and it's cold.
Yeah, it's cold. We're gonna be here for 2 days, so we're just gonna try to get into everything we can while we're here.
48 hours, let's see what we can get into.
All right, let's go. Okay, so in order to save money, we are taking the shuttle, which is usually like $2.80. But if you like ride all day, the max pay is like $5, something like that. So that's how we're gonna save money, taking the shuttle. Alright, so we just got off the shuttle, and I will say, just being here, everyone is really nice. Everyone is just so helpful and
Courteous.
yeah, and like there was a lady in a wheelchair. Everybody helped her get on the shuttle. They helped me with the stroller.
Help the senior citizens. People are going back and giving up their seats, which
Yeah,
is great.
so it was really nice. It was like a breath of fresh cold air out here.
And the shuttles was free. I mean, this one that we took wasn't free, which I've never seen LA do anything like that because the weather's cold.
Yeah.
Since I've been living here.
Yeah. So we're gonna go and try to find our hotel.
It's a 2-minute walk.
2-minute walk somewhere. It's cold, so we're gonna get there. Okay, so we're in the hotel, just chilling a little bit, thawing out actually. So now we're just looking at what to eat, something cheap for right now. The hotel is the Getaway. It's in a good like location. There's like the veggie grill down the street. So we're just gonna see what we can eat for right now and then explore the city. So it's supposed to be like, what, 30 degrees out here? It feels like it's like 15. It's so cold. It's ice everywhere, so try not to fall. Almost saved his life. So I saw it was ice, and I was like, oh my God. It would have been another Grease situation if you've been following. Like right now, I think this is all ice.
I got skilled. I was an athlete.
Well, me too.
Band?
Whatever. Dance. I'm a dancer. That's athleticism. Whatever. These are Christmas gift to myself. Why did I decide to wear these back? Well, I love the snow, but Lord have mercy. Is this colder than Europe? About the same. Y'all, when that wind hits, she starts. She's like, that's her way of saying it is cold. It is so cold. And I don't blame her, because I feel like saying that too with a few other choice words.
There, mommy.
Journey, you doing Journey, all that squirming, now your legs are all out. So the first stop is Voodoo Donuts. Now I know that it's kind of being a mix. A lot of people are saying Voodoo Donuts is amazing, and I am ready to try it. And I know that there's another place, Blue Star Donuts. I found that we have a Blue Star Donuts in LA and not a Voodoo. So that's why we're here. So let's go.
What are you gonna get?
I want the Voodoo dog with the vegan.
The vegan Voodoo donut, promo.
All right, so we just left Voodoo Donuts. I got the Voodoo Doll donut, and then you got a raspberry.
The Raspberry Romeo.
And we took them to go. But those big old freaking donuts for me and him, and for Journey to like share it with both of us. Only $8. She's not a big sweet eater. She'll take a bite from me and a bite from him. But $8, I think that was a pretty good deal. So we are heading back to the hotel now because that wind is kicking. It is kicking. It's cold, and I feel like I can't even talk right now. So I'm going back to the hotel. Nice looking building. Woo! A state jewelry company.
Well, I got some ring at.
You did not?
I gotta just sell
A journey. One thing that you guys may not know about us, but we are sneakerheads. Now, not the sneakerhead in the truest form of having maybe 600 sneakers, but yeah, sneakerhead. David is too, but he likes rare sneakers, so I think he's more of a sneakerhead than I am. Y'all, can y'all believe he said that these right here are ugly?
That colorway is, yes.
No, it's not. These are fierce. I like these. They ain't nothing about this shoe is ugly. Journey, what do you think?
They're weak.
No, they're not.
She said that Thank you. She said weak.
No.
See?
Whatever. My family's turning against me. I'll be stunting in those shoes, man. Stunting. So we are at the Hilton at Hop City, Miss Journey. And one of the reasons why we didn't go to the Melrose tonight was because they didn't really have a kids menu, or maybe we didn't see one. So she's lit. So we came over to Hop City. They have a kids menu, and everything is maybe like $2 to $3 cheaper over here. So I'm getting fish and chips. David's got a burger. Miss Thing is getting some fish and chips. So yeah, y'all help us, Lord. Not morning.
It's morning somewhere.
It's morning somewhere. So we are out today. We just had breakfast. We're trying to beat the rain. So we're off to Powell's bookstore.
See you there.
Journey. And there she goes again.
definitely one of the biggest bookstores I've ever been to, and a lot of used books, which is big, huge. Like it goes on and on and on and on and on. I think the first thing I want to do is just find the play section and just do a deep dive, see what's around. Maybe find something I can't find elsewhere. Raisins.
Mm-hmm.
Film and TV section.
As the act of traveling becomes an exhilarating career path and ultimately a tool to champion women's voices across the world.
Okay. We still here, y'all. This is so much and I love it. Alright. So I am in the home decor section because some of you may not know that I've always loved interior design. And as I'm not working in corporate America anymore, I've stepped out on faith to start my own design company. So checking out some books. Well, buying, not checking out. Buying some books. I need this for my kitchen. I am the secret ingredient. To head out. It is a travel day. It's raining. But Portland has been quite nice. It's been real nice. It's cold and rainy out today, but at least the ice and snow is melting. Get on the road. At the airport. We just got off the shuttle, so now it's time for the lounge. Alright, so we get a lot of questions of how do we travel with a toddler. This is how we do it. We have to go to the lounge. You can be able to recuperate.
You know, we have credit cards, points and miles. We use them to our advantage, and with the Amex Platinum card, one of the benefits is access to the Delta lounge when you're flying Delta. So I just paid a day pass, which is $50, which I use my airline credit, incidental credits for. And this makes it a lot easier traveling with a toddler. So yeah, we're gonna be here for another hour and a half, get some lunch, have a couple of complimentary drinks, and enjoy ourselves.
In addition to we pack snacks and games. Right now, the thing is stickers today, so we have a ton of stickers, iPad, screen time, yeah, all those things that make it a little bit easier. Yeah, makes it a little bit easier for us. All right, now we're gonna feed her because it's almost time for nap time. She needs to eat first. Okay.